Ma'am, may parcel ka po, 3K.
Pwede bukas na lang?
Okay po, bukas na po. Salamat.
Sige, thank you.
Get to your classrooms now! Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Shane.
Take your seat.
Yeah, Teacher Shane.
Okay, Daniel, come here. Please distribute this.
Ha? Sa chair. Ano?
Ma'am, hindi mo naman sinabi na may gagawing exam.
Sinabi ko na noong first day pa lang.
Ma'am.
I don't like it, the I hate you so much! Hindi ko kasalanan na hindi kayo na advanced reading. Dad, ba't ka late?
Sorry, Chair, kasi
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag. Umupo ka na doon.
Chair. Excuse me, Chair. Pwede po ba ako mag-take ng exam?
Hindi na, wala na. Late ka na.
Okay.
Okay, time's up. Pass your papers. What? Puro blanco, walang masagot. Class, 50% ito na grado nyo tapos wala kayong masagot?
Teacher, what we can do for our grades?
Alam ko na. Mag-special project kayong lahat. Okay. I will collect 500 pesos from each of you for our Christmas parol. Okay, may problema ba?
Naman! Excuse me, ma'am, 500 talaga. Ang laki-laki naman. Di ba pwede kami na lang gumawa ng Christmas parol namin?
Hindi pwede. Ako magbibili ng mga materyales.
Mom, I can't afford that. My allowance is less than half of that.
Yun na yun.